Guys, good morning and welcome to the K6UDA radio show. I'm your host, Bob, K6UDA. Today, we have a viewer question. Kyle W0AAV sent me an email. He had just got the his brand new Shark M1KE, the mic. I've got mine. You guys know mine has become a game changer here in Studio A. I actually run a net using this and I monitor it on my FTM 400. I don't want to waste your time, but I do want to ask you, if you haven't already hit that subscribe button, to hit that subscribe button, the bell notification, leave a comment on this video, and share this video wherever you can. That helps beat the algorithm because YouTube hates me. You want to set up your list so it looks like this list over here on the left. We're going to go under settings and you're going to have all your profile names. And you'll want to be able to change your active profile to where the active slot right now is number 1. We want to go to any of these. Let's say you don't have any of them set up. Like I don't have number 10 set up. So let's change to number 10. Okay. So I want to turn on my advanced mode on here. Now, it's set up under broadcast. Well, that's kind of odd. Why? So let's go to quick setup, and it's brand new. So it wants my call sign, K6UDA. We're going to check our D-Star registration. That's valid. We're going to save this. We're going to please choose a license mode, and I am a licensed. Yep, we'll change everything over here. And now comes back up. We're still in broadcast mode. We're going to go to the quick setup here. And let's just do D-Star. And I like the REF reflectors. You want an XRF reflector. So let's do an XRF reflector over here, and we'll try to set that one up. And you want to please select from the list below. Kyle, you wanted XRF 031 Charlie. So let's go find XRF 031 Charlie, and we'll connect to it. And negative. It doesn't want to connect to 031 Charlie. So let's go. We'll go over to connectors here. And let's see if it'll connect to Bravo.
Mike trying to connect to SRF 031 Charlie.
So let's save it to Bravo and see if it wants to connect to Bravo. Saved, quick setup, status. Nope, doesn't want to connect to Bravo. Let's go back here and let's try another one. 031, let's try 030, and we'll go to Charlie once again. Let's see. Boom.
RF 030 Charlie.
And we are connected to 030 Charlie. Didn't like 031 for some reason. Let's go back and 32 Charlie. Let's see. Yep. Right away. Connected.
RF 032 Charlie.
So, for whatever reason, I don't know if XRF 031 Charlie is expecting something different in the configuration. It might be. Let's go back into connectors and take a look and see. We've got the server address. You've got the port. You're going to have to make sure that all of this stuff is set up correctly for that node. If you've been connecting to 031 Charlie with something else, some other way, that's easy. Figure out exactly what the settings are to get into that and copy all that into here. I've just answered your question number 2 right now. You can't get into XRF 031 Charlie. I can't get into XRF 031 Charlie either, but I could get into 032 and 030, no problem. And I don't know what the deal is with 031, and we're going to change this one to profile 9 XRF 032 Charlie. And I'm going to save it. Boom. And now it shows down here, number 9, XRF 032 Charlie. Let's see if it goes back. Let's switch to the Idaho command. All right, and there we are. So we're now down here in the left-hand corner. You could see we're on the Idaho command, profile number 1. And if I want to go back to XRF 032 Charlie, let's do that.
Mike, profile 9, ready.
Profile 9 is ready.
Mike, connected to XRF 032 Charlie.
And there you go. There you have it. So we have XRF 032 Charlie. That's a D-star reflector. If we wanted to do that with YSF, we could do that with YSF. We could do it with anything we want. Kyle's third question was, he has tried to add his Echolink node for his radio. He says, my call sign is validated on Echolink. When I go to quick setup, I select Echolink. I find my node, which is 113.667. So let's go here to quick setup, and we'll go to all the way down here, and we'll find Echolink, and it's up there. And let's type in 113.667. And there it is in Missouri, and we're going to use this. Error, user password field is empty. So let's go to connectors. And go to Echolink, switch to error, logging in, password, server call sign, first name, Bob, Echolink password.
Mike, trying to connect to Echolink server.
And we want to connect to 113.667. Let's save. And there it is.
Connected to Echolink K0NXK-R.
Go over to the connectors page. Make sure you've got Echolink plugged in. Go to the one you want. Make sure your Echolink first or user first name is plugged in, and put your Echolink user password in there. Save it, and it should switch right over. But notice we're still on XRF 032 profile, because we haven't swapped the profile yet. We haven't done anything with the profile. You can move around inside of the SharkRF mic without ever updating a profile. These profiles here are just a very, very quick way of moving back and forth between, let's just say you have a radio and you want to flip back and forth between repeaters, different repeaters. If you think of this as more of a repeater or a radio with a list of repeaters or a list of channels that you like, and you're just moving through that list very quickly and efficiently, you'll be real happy. I hope I helped you. If I did, please give this a thumbs up. Please spread the word, share it, leave a comment, let me know how I did, and I'll catch you on the next one. I'm Bob K6UDA, and I'm out.